Hi traders, welcome to Signals View. Today we are talking about MT4, VSA and APCO trading systems. It's a combination of two systems, the VSA volume spread analysis and APCO advanced profit cloud oil system. You can combine both of them together and get really good results, and we are going to know how. There's an offer for $99 instead of $216 for limited time. Contact us on WhatsApp and get the system activated in your MT4 account. What is VSA? VSA uses a volume spread analysis technique. It will scan the market and will give you the strengths of each index at the time. So simply, it's gonna tell you what is trending right now, what is really strong, what is less, and what's really weak. Okay. So for example, right now the Australian is really strong and the euro is very weak. So it will be a very good idea to short the euro and go long in the Australian. So Euro Australian pair would be the best to sell right now. Selling the euro against the Australian would be the best. Why? Because you would be making money in shorting the euro. At the same time, you would be making money in buying the Australian dollar. So you would be making money both ways in both currencies. One is going up and one is going down. And that's one of the secrets. It's going to tell you what is trending, okay? Also, it's going to give you the strength of the euro. Euro strength is 27%. USD is 40%. Pound is 54, and so on. So you're going to get the strength of all the currencies. And if it's going to be stronger or weaker, which is really good. So we're going to stay in the top of the market. The VSA has two windows right here, the VSA meter and VSA power. The VSA power is going to give you all these currencies, like, for example, the euro dollar, pound dollar, is going to give you the buy. The strength of the buyer, how much is 2.7. The sellers, the strength of the sellers is 4. How much is the delta? Is minus 1.3. It's kind of going down, but it's weak. But if you look at something like Euro Australian right here, is minus 3.7. It's trending really strong toward the downside. So that would be a good trade. Instead of holding your money in a pair that is not moving, you can short the Euro Australian and make money. How VSA works? It will scan the market. It will give you two very important things. First one, what is trending right now? So for example, Euro Australian was trending. So instead of holding your money in something like Euro dollar is not moving, you can sell the Euro Australian and make money. And that's very important. So you want to invest in something is moving, is trending. That's how you make money instead of holding your money in something is not moving. Number two, are you going to buy the Euro Australian or you're going to sell? You're going to sell. So it will give you the trending, what is trending right now, and also is going to tell you what to buy and what to sell. So you, for example, if the euro was weak, so we are going to sell the euro, and the Australian was strong, so we are going to buy the Australian. So that's how it's going to help you. It's going to tell you what is trending and if you're going to buy or sell. Okay, let's imagine the market maker is sitting right here. Okay, and all these tables, different currencies. For example, this table is a specific pair, and that's a pair. And in our example, we've had the Euro Australian. So let's make this Euro Australian. Okay. So right now, the Euro Australian is where it is trending. So the market maker actually is jumping in the Euro Australian now. Okay. So that's where the smart money is going in the Euro Australian at that time. It's not going to the other pairs. It's going to wait for the other pairs to build more money. Once it's ready, the market maker is going to jump in the second table later on. And the VSA is going to tell you when and which table exactly. You can call it market maker spotter because it's going to spot the market maker where he's actually trading, what is trending right now, and which direction. Is he buying or selling? So that's the strength of the VSA market scanner. Once we know, okay, your Australian is a good trade, is it time to take it or wait a little bit? Why VSA is essential for me? Because it's going to catch smart money. So as we have said, it's going to catch the market maker. What is trending right now to buy or sell? And that's going to help you to be a sniper in trading. Take spot on trades. It's going to tell you when to buy exactly. Good stop loss. Achieve your target. That's how you make money in this market. What I'm missing without APCO trading system? APCO trading system will help you to get in the best time, have the best stop loss, exit the trade at the right time. Without a stop loss, you're going to start doing some technical analysis here and there, but it's not going to tell you exactly when to make the decision. So we're going to say, okay, when it come here, sometimes it doesn't come, like you miss this one, okay? So sometimes you get confused if it will have a fake break, okay, like that. It's gonna get confused, and all this indicator just becomes too much and noisy. See, too much indicators and stuff. Imagine you have this chart. Would you prefer this one? This is the exact same chart we've had before. It's a gold chart. You look at this one. It's gonna tell you exactly when to buy, where to put your stop loss, when to buy again, when to buy again, when to buy again. Actually, where to buy again. So the APCO trading system, it's made for oil in the first place, but it could be used in any pair. It's a trend following system, so it's going to always put you on the right track. It generates a buy and a sell signal. For example, that was a sell signal right here. It was really good. It gives you a stop loss and take profit. So once this red colors ends, you start getting green, you can take your profit. So it's really helpful to have a trading system with a high winning rate above 75% winning rate, which is really good. The system uses artificial intelligence to detect the best place for stop loss and the best entry time. So it's really helpful. So when you trade with APCO trading system, you're going to have peace of mind. So you're not going to be stressed. Why? Because it's going to give you the best entry here. It's going to give you a stop loss. So don't worry about risk management. It's going to calculate the risk management for you. It's going to tell you where to put your stop loss. And just what about your profit? Here we go. All this. That's where you take your profit. So imagine you run this trade from here to here. That's really good profit. Then once you have a correction, it gives you a new buy. Move on. Go with it. That's how you make money in this market, my friend. How to get the offer? Make a free account on fxmarketstrategy.com. Contact us on WhatsApp. Get the offer, $99 instead of $216 for 1 year. You can use PayPal, you can use USDT or any crypto coin. Once the payment is done, we are going to activate your account for 1 year. And if you need help in installation, we also give free service in installation. We are looking forward to work with you. Thank you and take care.